Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make cheese bagels. First, gather your ingredients: bread flour, active dry yeast, sugar, salt, water, and your favorite cheese. Begin by activating the yeast in warm water with a little sugar. Then, combine the dry ingredients in a large bowl. Gradually add the yeast mixture to the dry ingredients, mixing until a shaggy dough forms. Knead the dough for about 8 to 10 minutes until it's smooth and elastic. Once your dough is ready, divide it into 8 to 10 equal portions, each weighing around 100 grams. Roll each portion into a smooth ball, then use your thumb or a dowel to create a hole in the center, stretching it gently to about 1 inch in diameter. Arrange your shaped bagels on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Let them proof in a warm spot for 30 to 60 minutes, allowing them to rise slightly. Now, preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Bring a large pot of water to a gentle simmer. Carefully drop the proofed bagels into the simmering water, boiling them for 30 to 60 seconds on each side. This step creates that signature chewy crust. Remove them with a slotted spoon, letting excess water drain. Immediately transfer them to a baking sheet and generously top each one with your favorite shredded cheese. Finally, it's time to bake your delicious cheese bagels. Place the baking sheet into your preheated oven and bake for 15 to 20 minutes. Look for a beautiful golden brown color and bubbly, slightly crispy cheese. Once baked, transfer the bagels to a wire rack to cool for at least 15 minutes. This cooling time is crucial for the texture. Enjoy your homemade cheese bagels warm, perhaps with a smear of cream cheese.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.